is one project which can give you great location, great connectivity, and also luxurious lifestyle, then it is this one. This project can give you great office spaces. It can give you 1 BHK with balconies. It can give you 2 BHK with greater carpet areas and also great uncompromised views of Pandavkara waterfall. Can you take a guess on the project? Well, the name is right behind me. This is Raheja District by Raheja Universal, and in this video I am going to give you the entire overview of the project. The first thing I want to talk about this project is the great connectivity it offers you. This project is located exactly on the Golden Corridor, which is your Thane Belapur Road, also known as the Sion Panvel Highway. From here, you can connect to Seawoods Grand Central Mall, In-Orbit Mall, IKEA in maximum 10 to 15 minutes. Yes, that's the connectivity this project is offering you. Also, from here, D.Y. Patil Stadium, University and your DPS school is close by. Juinagar station is at walking distance from here. What else do you want? If you're a person who goes to office and is having an office in Sobor, then you can use the Atal Setu, you can use the Vashi Bridge and connect in maximum 35 to 40 minutes. Also, the elephant in the room, Navi Mumbai International Airport, it is now operational. Everybody in real estate, we are all happy about it. You can connect that in maximum 30 to 40 minutes, even if the traffic is too much. The location is sorted about the project. It is spread across 60 plus acres, in which 50% is dedicated for residential and 50% for commercial. The highlight of this video is the cluster Lunaris, which we will be talking about in detail, and also we will be talking about the office spaces. So without further ado, let's get to that. If you're not impressed by the connectivity which this project offers you, then I am standing right in front of the entire model of 60 acres and will give you the brief about everything. First of all, at the very beginning, this is your Thane Belapur Road. At the very entrance will be your World Trade Center. Now here is your newly launched cluster Atlantis. Tower 1 is already open. You can watch one of our videos. What you see there is the commercial tower. Office spaces you'll be getting there. Now this cluster here was their first cluster. Solar is completely sold out now. This is led for future development, and at the very central, the small swimming pool kind of thing which you're seeing is their Dubai Marina Bay inspired floating restaurants open to everybody inside the land parcel. Everybody can come here and enjoy the Dubai style lifestyle. Now, the small tower which you see there is G+5 Gymkhana. The longer tower which you see here is going to be your 5-star hotel upcoming. And this smaller thing which you see is going to be your Club Elysium, where you can get international sports academies already operational. We'll make sure that I will give you a view of that also. Now, coming to the highlight of this video, this is the N-Tower Lunaris. These are the towers. But to talk in detail about Lunaris, I will be taking you to the exact model and give you all brief about that. But before doing that, let me tell you that at the very end of your land parcel is your Khalghar Todhe link tunnel, which is going to give you seamless connectivity to Khalghar. I am standing in front of the model of the cluster Lunaris. It is spread across 8.5 acres and in total it is going to have 11 towers. Phase 1 had 3 towers. It is now completely sold out. Phase 2 is bringing 4 towers, which will be offering you 1.5, 2 BHK and 2.5 BHK configurations. Let's talk about the breakdown of the tower. You will be getting -3 levels of parking. On the ground floor, you will be getting 45 plus retail shops. So all your shopping necessities are taken care of. But if you're bored of shopping inside your cluster, you can go outside but inside your own land parcel and access all the shopping brands which will be available to you. Now on the first floor, you will be having jogging track, cycling track, open air places to sit and enjoy with your families. Before I forget, your jogging track is spread across the entire land parcel of the cluster, which is 8.5 acres. That's a lot of space. So if you're a person who is interested in fitness-oriented lifestyle, or if you look forward to being fit, if that's your goal, then this cluster is absolutely perfect for you. Now, second floor is the first habitable floor for you. Beside you is going to be Mindspace, but that is to a lower extent, so your views are not going to be compromised at any point of time. Inside your cluster, you have 5 floors of clubhouse, which will be having amenities like kids play area, swimming pool, multi-purpose court. But if you're also bored of that, then you can access the facilities inside Club Elysium. Now, finally, without further ado, let's get to the sample apartment. This is your 2 BHK sample apartment of 649 square feet. So welcome inside. At the very entrance, you are getting this living and dining area, which is very spacious. The size is 11 by 15. You can see for yourself. With this, you're also getting a balcony with wooden flooring to enjoy the views of the Pandavkara waterfall. If you're living on a higher floor, the views are going to be mesmerizing. Monsoon is going to become your favorite season. It's mine at least. Now, this is your dining place. Here you can keep a 3 to 4 seater. Now understand ये sample apartment है, तो इन्होंने ये चीज लगा करके इसको ऐसे स्टाइल किया. अगर आप चाहें तो you can style it differently. यहाँ पर you will not be getting the furnitures and everything. ये सिर्फ understanding purpose के लिए how you can style your home. Beside the dining place is your kitchen. You will be getting L-shaped countertop. You have space for your refrigerator and also a window for ventilation. अब ये था हमारा लिविंग एंड डाइनिंग एरिया. लेट मी शो यू द बेडरूम्स, बट फर्स्ट बिफोर दैट हैव अ लुक एट द कॉमन वॉशरूम. गेस्ट सारे हैं, उनकी यूज करने के लिए बहुत अच्छा स्पेस है. जो भी फिटिंग्स दिए हुई है लंबे समय तक चलेंगी, जल्दी खराब नहीं होंगी. यही फायदा होता है जब आप एक अच्छे डेवलपर से घर लेते हो जो कि रहेजा है. दिस इज योर फर्स्ट बेडरूम. 10x11 साइज है. बच्चों के लिए, पेरेंट्स के लिए ये रूम परफेक्ट है. ये फुल लेंथ आपको विंडो मिल रहा है. बच्चों के लिए तो थोड़ा सा सेफ्टी के लिए आपको ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा, बट व्यूज अनकॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड, बहुत अच्छे व्यूज मिलने वाले हैं आपको. आपका वार्डरोब का स्पेस आप देख सकते हो. इट इज वेरी नाइस. स्पेस इज वेरी गुड इनसाइड द एंटायर अपार्टमेंट. नाउ वी विल बी मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द फाइनल बेडरूम. ये आपका पैसेज वे है. फ्रॉम हियर योर मास्टर बेडरूम इज स्टार्टिंग. You can use this wall to decorate. And now, welcome. This is your master bedroom. 10x12 is the size. Once again, windows facing the same direction. Same views. Beautiful views from every part of your house. You can keep a king size bed. Now have a look. This is going to be your attached washroom with premium fittings. This was your 2 BHK apartment, 649 square feet. Price starting from 1 crore 60 lakhs. 1 BHK with balcony is starting from 98 lakhs plus taxes. That's just amazing. If you want to secure a unit, you know who to call. Contact on the number given below. This is your 2.5 BHK sample apartment of 725 square feet. So welcome inside. At the very entrance, this is your very spacious living and dining area, the dimension of which is 10x15, 10x15. बहुत अच्छा size है. You can keep your L-shaped sofa here. This is the place for your television. Space between the television and the sofa is very good. You are also getting a balcony with wooden flooring to enjoy the views of the waterfall and the mountains which you are getting from this cluster. If you are living on a higher floor, imagine the amplified views which you will be getting. Beside your living room space, this is your dining area. 6-seater, very comfortably. You can keep 2 chairs on this side, and if you keep a tool, you can make this a 5-seater very easily. Beside this dining space is your kitchen, where you are getting L-shaped countertop, space for your refrigerator. There's a window for ventilation. And now we will be moving towards the further part of the house. Before the bedrooms, let me show you the common washroom. If guests are coming, the space is very good for them to utilize. Let's see the 0.5 of the 2.5 BHK. The space is good enough for children to utilize. If you have small children, आप ये रूम उनको दे सकते हो. Now, this is the first proper bedroom. 0.5 के बाद, both the bedrooms are master bedrooms. It's not that key one room is small. The size for this is 9x11, very good size. You can keep a queen size bed. There is this full length window for ventilation. Sunlight is going to be pretty amazing. And with this, you're also getting your attached washroom. The sanitary ware fittings and everything is of top-notch quality. This is your wardrobe space. And now let's move to the master bedroom. The size of this is 9x13. You can keep a king size bed, space for your side table, also very important. You can keep your phones and chargers here, very accessible. This is once again the window, different direction from the living and the other bedrooms. You're also getting attached washroom with this. The entire house has very good flooring work, very important. It will go on for a longer period of time. 1 BHK here is starting from 98 lakhs plus taxes. 2 BHK from 1 crore 60 lakhs plus taxes, and this 725 square feet is starting from 1 crore 90 lakhs plus taxes. So if you want to secure a unit, you know who to call. Contact on the number given below.